Hi students, welcome to our channel. This is Mr. V. Srinivas working as School Assistant Physical Science at Government High School, Sanat Nagar Ward, Mircha District, Hyderabad. In this video now we are going to discuss about the lesson Motion Part 2. It is an activity that observing the motion of a ball on an inclined plane. Dear students, observe carefully. We are going to observe the motion of a ball on an inclined plane. Dear students, set up an inclined plane as shown in the figure. Take a ball and release it from the top of the inclined plane. The positions of the ball at various times we are observing here. On close observation, we can find that when the ball moves down the inclined plane, its speed increases gradually and the direction of motion remains constant. My dear students, just observe once. When ball moves down, gradually its speed increases, but direction is not changing. When the ball moves down, dear students, you observe this adjacent figure. The setup is like our previous activity only, but here ball is pushing up from the down. When it moves up, you can observe that its speed gradually decreases, but not its direction changes. Students, once again you observe here, when ball push into upward direction, that means it moves from down to up, we can observe that its speed gradually decreases, but there is no change in its direction. Okay. One more activity, that observing uniform circular motion here. To observe this activity, my dear students, take a string and tie a stone at the end of that string. Now whirl it continuously. If we draw its path, it will be as circle, and if you draw velocity vectors to this direction is changes for every point. My dear students, once again you observe that if you draw its path, it will be circle, and if you draw the direction of velocity at every point, its direction is changes. Okay. One more activity, my dear students, that observing motion of an object thrown into air. Generally our students play with stones and they throw the stones into air, but you observe what will happen to its velocity and path. If you throw a stone into the air, you observe that the speed and direction of its motion changes continuously at every point. The students, you observe that figure. You are throwing a stone into the air. It is moving. It is traveling into the air. If we observe its speed is changes continuously and the direction is also changing continuously. Okay, my dear students. From above three activities, we can conclude that the first one, speed changes with the direction remaining constant. My dear students, when ball is moving on inclined plane, we observe that speed changes, but its direction remains constant. Okay. Second one, direction of motion changes with speed remaining constant. Where we have observed that in circular motion, its direction of motion changes and the speed is constant at every point. We have observed that. Okay, my dear students. What is our third observation? Both the direction and the speed changes simultaneously. In which activity we have observed that? When a stone thrown into air, at every point direction is changes and the speed also changes. Thank you, my dear students. If you like the video, share it, like it, subscribe it. Thank you very much.